How to download Royal Bank of Canada app and then sign into it. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. Start by heading over to the App Store on your device. In the search bar, search for Royal Bank of Canada. Move into this app. Install this application on your device by tapping on Get and then click on Install. You have to wait for the application to be installed. Once it has been installed, now what you want to do is you can simply click on Open, or you can go back and move into the application. Once you're in this page, scroll all the way down and you'll see the option of Sign In. Click on it. Enter your login credential, as in first of all you have to select RBC service and then enter client card or your username, and then enter the password of your account. Once you have entered all the login credential, tap on Sign In. You will be successfully logged into your account and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.